Good morning all. I am Professor Tanmay Gorakhnath from PG Mose College of Engineering, Wagoli, Pune. Friends, we will learn lecture number 3, a very interesting topic from fluid mechanics. So today the topic name is factor affecting Mannings roughness coefficient. In previous two lecture we are discussing about open channel flow. Lecture 1 we have discussed about steady and unsteady flow, uniform, non-uniform flow, laminar turbulent flow. In lecture 2 we have discussed about Chase's and Mannings formula. In this session we will learn about which are the factors which affect Mannings roughness coefficient. Friends, we know that discharge is given by area into velocity. Consider there is one channel section, it may be rectangular, trapezoidal, we can find out its area very easily, cross section area, and for velocity we have to depend upon these two important formula, that is Chase's and Mannings formula. So we know that Chase's formula is equal to V is equal to C under root RS, where C is Chase's constant, R is hydraulic mean depth and S is the bed slope. Whereas as per Mannings formula, V is equal to 1 upon N, R is 2 by 3, S raised to half. So what is N? N is the factor Mannings roughness coefficient. Now we are going to study, and at the end I will give small easy trick to remember this factor. Okay. So the main important concept is we want maximum discharge, so that velocity should be maximum. If velocity should be maximum, as per this formula, velocity should be maximum, then N should be minimum. But what happen? There are certain factors which affect this N value and they try to increase its N value. So which are those factors? So first is vegetation. Now imagine there is a channel section, a rectangular channel section which carries discharge water. Imagine there are small plants available in that channel section. So what will happen? It will resist the flow and hence it will increase the N value, roughness coefficient N value get increased due to vegetation. So remember this one important point, if vegetation increases, Mannings roughness coefficient increases. Then second one is irregularities. Imagine I am drawing a longitudinal section. If there is a sudden drop or rise in the channel section, water will be flowing in this way. So what will happen if there is a changes, irregular pattern is there, again your Mannings roughness coefficient increases. So again it affects the velocity. Roughness, taking this section, if the surface is having rough area, rough cross section, in that case friction may increases and that will affect your Mannings roughness coefficient. So again if roughness is available in your channel, then N roughness coefficient increases. Alignment, consider I am drawing a plan section, there is a straight alignment and again there is certain curvature in that case. So if alignment changes, then also N value changes. So again it is directly proportional, alignment and your Mannings roughness coefficient increases. Lastly, suspended particle. So consider in water, we know that different type of sand, silt are available. So again it raises the velocity. So if suspended particles are there, your N value increases, that is Mannings roughness coefficient increases. So the trick is, now you have to remember two important things. First trick is all these factors are directly proportional. So if it increases, your N value increases. Now if N value increases, your velocity decreases, and if velocity decreases, then discharge decreases. So that is a problem. So you have to overcome with this problem. That's why proper cleaning of channel is required. The roughness should be reduced and you have to prepare a smooth channel. That's why we are going for prismatic channel. Have you seen any canal shape? If it is having rough shape, then the velocity decreases, okay, and will not get enough water. So all are increasing, N increases. So this is the first trick. And second trick, now how to remember these factors. So any maximum exam this factor are asked. So you have to remember one simple word, that is VIRUS, virus. Now we are going for this corona situation. So everyone know coronavirus. So only the spelling here you have to remember. VIRUS, instead of U you have to remember A, virus. So V is related to your vegetation, I irregularities, R roughness, A alignment, and S is suspended particle, okay, and or are increasing, your n value increases, okay. So I think you understand the trick, and so welcome, happy learning, thank you.